You are listening to Passport Talks, a podcast on how to become a true cosmopolitan, how to travel the world without visas, create a safe haven for your family, and access top-notch education and healthcare with a second passport or residency.
7 countries in Europe with the fastest residency by investment programs. Spain and Cyprus offer the fastest golden visa programs, taking just 2 to 3 months. Those willing to wait a bit longer can opt for Malta or Greece residency by investment programs with a minimum investment of €250,000. Additionally, Portugal, Austria, and Switzerland offer non-investment paths for financially independent persons to get a residence permit in around 4 to 8 months. 1. Spain Golden Visa Program. Obtaining a residence permit in Spain is a popular option for foreigners willing to invest €500,000 or more in the country's economy. The Spanish program is one of the fastest in Europe, taking only 2 to 3 months from application to acquiring the residency permit. There are 6 investment options, with property purchase being the most in demand. The program allows investors to buy one or multiple properties for residential or commercial use, with the accommodation being rentable for profit. The applicant can obtain permanent residency in 5 years and sell their investment properties. Applicants must be over 18, have no criminal record or debts in Spain, and prove the legality of their income, which must be earned outside of Spain. Investors can also add their spouse or registered partner, children under 18 years old, dependent unmarried children over 18, and dependent parents to their application. 2. Permanent residency in Cyprus. The Cyprus Permanent Residence Program offers different investment options, including purchasing a residential or commercial property, acquiring shares of Cypriot companies, or units in investment funds. The minimum investment amount is €300,000, allowing a residence permit to be obtained in around 3 months. Applicants must be over 18 years old, have no criminal record or bans on entering EU states and the UK, and not be under sanctions. The main applicant must also have a legal income of at least €50,000 per year, own or rent accommodation in Cyprus, and provide a medical report. Close family members can join the application, including spouses or registered partners in a relationship of at least 2 years, children under 18, including those from previous marriages, unmarried children under 25 who are financially dependent on the main applicant and study abroad, children with physical or mental disabilities of any age. Adding family members does not change the minimum investment amount. Still, the investor's yearly income from sources outside of Cyprus and Greece must increase by €15,000 per spouse and €10,000 per child. 3. Austria Residence Permit. Financially independent individuals can obtain residency in Austria if they have a stable passive income and own or rent accommodation there. They are required to stay in Austria for at least 183 days per year. The applicant must receive legal income from another country, including income from owning a business, holding shares in a company, a remote job salary, pensions, and royalties. The required income amount varies based on family composition, with a minimum income of €1,933 per month for a single applicant, €2,944 for a married couple, and an additional €298 per child added to the application. The investors must also have enough funds to cover regular expenses such as rent, medical insurance, and car maintenance. The entire process of acquiring the residency permit, including preparations, takes around 4 to 8 months. Applicants must have no criminal records, know German at the A1 level or higher, and provide medical insurance. The main applicant can also request permits for their spouse and children up to 14 years old. Children from 14 to 18 can join the application if they meet specific requirements, including knowing German at the A1 level or higher, having medical insurance, and having no criminal records. 4. Portugal D7 Visa. The Portugal D7 visa offers non-EU nationals the opportunity to obtain a residence permit for up to 2 years, with the option to renew for a further 3 years. Applicants must have a stable passive income of at least €9,120 per year. The income can come from various sources such as pensions, dividends, or investments. Another requirement is to provide proof of accommodation and medical insurance. The application process can take 4 to 6 months, and the applicants must be physically present in Portugal to complete the process. After the first year, the applicant must demonstrate that they have spent at least 183 days in Portugal to maintain their residence permit. One of the benefits of the D7 visa is that it can lead to permanent residency or citizenship after 5 years of continuous residence. The program also allows family reunification, enabling family members to join the applicant in Portugal, including the spouse or partner, dependent children, and dependent parents. 5. Permanent residency in Malta. The Malta Permanent Residence Program accepts applications from non-EU investors if they fulfill several investment conditions, including 1. Renting or purchasing real estate in the country. The minimum rental price is €10,000 for properties in the south of Malta and the island of Gozo, and €12,000 for properties in other regions. The minimum purchase price starts at €300,000 for properties in the south of Malta or on the island of Gozo, and €350,000 for other regions. 2. Additionally, investors are required to contribute €58,000 for rent and €28,000 for purchasing a property. 3. The administration fee is €40,000. 4. The charitable donation is €2,000 and can be sent to any non-governmental organization in Malta. The applicant must also confirm that they have assets of at least €500,000, with at least €150,000 in liquid financial assets. Obtaining permanent residency by investment takes around 6 to 8 months. Applicants must be over 18 years old and have no criminal record or prosecution, have no history of visa denials in countries with a visa-free regime with Malta, have legal income, and have medical insurance. Close family members can also obtain residence permits, including spouses, registered partners, children, parents, and grandparents if they are principally dependent on the main applicant. 6. Greece Golden Visa Program. The Greece Golden Visa Program provides non-EU citizens various investment options in exchange for a residence permit, with a minimum investment of €250,000. Most investors purchase real estate which can be resold after 5 years. Other options include renting a hotel for 10 years, purchasing land for construction, inheriting real estate, and buying securities. The applications for a Greece residence permit are processed within 1 to 2 months, and the whole process, including real estate purchase and paperwork, takes around 6 months. Applicants must be over 18 years old, confirm the legality of their income, and have no criminal record. Spouses or registered partners, unmarried children under 21, and parents of the investor and their partner can also obtain residency under the same application. 7. Switzerland Residence Permit. Foreigners can obtain Switzerland residence permits by paying a lump sum tax for 1 or 5 years, ranging between 450,000 Swiss francs to 1 million Swiss francs per year, depending on the canton and their income. In addition, investors pay an 18,000 Swiss franc social security contribution per each adult family member, medical insurance, legal services, and documentation preparation costs. Getting a residence permit takes around 6 months, including 2 to 4 months of due diligence. Applicants must be over 18 years old, have no criminal record, and confirm the legality of their income. Their annual worldwide expenses must exceed their rent in Switzerland by 7 times. Close family members, including spouses or registered partners, and children under 18 years old can also be included in the application. Investors and their family members must stay in Switzerland for at least 6 months to keep their residence permits, but cannot work there. Benefits of residence in Europe. Residency in a European Union state provides a range of benefits for investors, including visa-free travel within the Schengen Area, and the opportunity for tax optimization by becoming tax residents in the country where the residence permit was obtained. Additionally, some countries offer favourable tax systems, such as Greece's flat tax on global income and Malta's tax refund of 100% for some companies. Business opportunities are also provided, particularly in countries such as Spain, Greece, and Malta, where investors can work and conduct business with their residency permits. Another advantage of obtaining residency by investment is the prospect of getting citizenship by naturalisation in the future, which takes 5 to 10 years depending on the country. That's it for this episode about European residency programs. Visit immigrantinvest.com for more detailed information and real-life case studies, or to book a meeting with Immigrant Invest lawyers who can help find answers to tricky questions. Take the next step towards your global opportunities and secure your future with Immigrant Invest. And see you in the next episodes of Passport Talks.
That's it for today. This has been Passport Talks, a podcast on how to become a true cosmopolitan. The link to the text version is in the description. To learn more about second citizenship and investment programs, visit our website, immigrantinvest.com. Follow Passport Talks and stay tuned for new episodes on all available platforms. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you on the next episode.